Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address for your PlayStation account on your PS5. So on the home screen here, let's just go up top, go to Settings, and scroll on down to where it says Users and Accounts. Then under Accounts, just go to the right, and the first option is Sign in ID email address. Change your email address. So we can just select this, and we're going to have to send yourself an email. So let's select this, and then my old one is listed in here. So we can delete everything and then go to ben something 2000 at gmail.com or whatever your email is, and then you can just send it to your new email address and go to confirm. And then you can verify your information, and you should be able to change that for your PlayStation account now on your PlayStation 5. So once you go to continue and you confirm it, you should now be able to log in with that account. Now, I believe when you do this, you're going to be signed out of your account, so you're going to have to remember your password as well. So just a heads up before you go ahead and complete this process, you have your password at hand. Otherwise, you can just completely forget your old password and redo it through the settings there and recover your account password. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.